Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic experiment. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication, minus and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 20, B is 40, C is 60 and D is 18. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part. After the bracket, you have to say the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. So step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. We can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have this bracket. We will write like 2 multiply 10 minus 4 equals to 6 plus 4 raised to power 2 divided by 2. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 10 minus 4 equals to 6. Now move forward. Step number 1 we have solved the bracket. Now we have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So in our expression we have 4 raised to power 2. So we have to solve this one. So we write like 2 multiplied by 6 plus 4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4 which is equal to 16 and divided by 2. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 4 raised to power 2 equals to 16. Right? Now we have to solve this step number 2. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication or division. So you will say like I'm using the BODMAS, so I will use the solve the division first, and someone says I'm using the PAMDAS, so I will solve the first multiplication. No, the rule is same for both. You have to go left to right and find out which is coming. So now we have 2 multiplied by 6. So we will write 2 multiplied by 6 which is 12 plus and 16 divided by, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference forward. We have to go again left to right and find out which is coming. So now we have 12 plus 16 divided by 2. We have solved this one. So we have to write like 8. So now this time, first we have solved this one and now this time we have solved 16 divided by 2 which is equals to 8. And here we have to give the reference. Now we have 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. Now we have two terms which we can solve by adding these two terms. So we will get the answer is 20. So the answer of the given expression is 20. If you see the answer list, answer A is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye.